Hi there, it's George here, and today I will have to show you update on my banana plants. This is Musa Helen's hybrid variety which growing in the garden, and I'm gonna show you as well Dove Cavendish banana plant update. This variety versus Cavendish, how looking. And as you can see, this so beautiful now started to grow so long leaves and last years, but they turn into palm trees because of the windy anyway. And so beautiful banana plant, amazing pseudostem, you know, get more big. Look at it, awesome. And this is a baby, it's beautiful. It had 3 babies or 4. I did dig and planted in another places, but this I let it have roots very deep, and I'm afraid not to cut without roots. That's it. Yeah, amazing banana plant, but in winter time I will have to move it inside in the basement, and it will stay here in the dormancy, but it's still hot outside. It will grow more. Now, as you can see, new leaves started to grow, will open soon. That looking banana plant, look at this leaf, like a palm tree. Amazing. Next to the banana plant are the coupon. Next to the banana plant are the cucumbers. They're doing great. This year and last year too. I have some cucumbers as well. Somewhere, but have to search. Anyway, it's about banana plants in this video. And look on the banana plant. I mean, after the banana plant, pear tree, a lot of fruits, amazing. I have to shoot this. Just look how this big leaf is it. But the new leaf we will see how big it will be. And the pear tree here with many fruits near the banana plant. Amazing. Look at it. We'll see next year how big it will be, and when will bloom I don't know. I'm not sure if it will bloom because in my country there's no grow banana plants. Anyway. And here we go, this is Cavendish banana plant, Dove Cavendish, which growing up to 2 meters, and I grow it under grow light, like an experiment. Outside I have more of these banana plants, but this already did grow more than I have in the pot outside, and have 1 year old already. It have more than 1 meter, I think. It's very beautiful, and always have light here and growing. I hope will take up and grow to 2 meters or more and will bloom, we'll see. This leaf, for example, did grow up to 50 centimeters. I did, and we'll see this leaf which opening, but I don't think this is 50 centimeters. I will see. This is more small leaf or stuff like that. We will see just. In July, growing very fast banana plant, this one, but in August should grow too fast. But yeah, we'll see how big it will be. And if we can see these leaves on the bottom, they're getting yellow, that is okay for banana plants. It's bad if banana plants getting yellow here on the top. Then check your root system on your banana plant. So now here a baby growing, amazing. That's it. I will see how this will grow in the future. Stay tuned on my channel. Thanks so much for watching this video to the end. That means a lot for my channel. Greetings from Moldova. Hit that bell to get notification when I'm posting new videos, and see you next time. Bye bye.